Right, this is what it looks and sounds like to attend a mass led by artificial intelligence. Hundreds of churchgoers attending that service during Germany's Convention of Protestants. The 40-minute service was put together by a 29-year-old theologian and philosopher from the University of Vienna. He says 98% of that mass was the product of ChatGPT, but the congregation said the avatar just didn't have the warmth that they're used to.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to an extraordinary event that took place in a church right here in Germany. Prepare yourselves for a story that is equal parts hilarious and suspenseful. Buckle up and join us on this wild ride as we uncover the tale of an AI-led mass. Meet Professor Wiskid, a 29-year-old theologian and philosopher from the University of Vienna. Armed with an audacious idea, he decided to bring artificial intelligence to the forefront of a traditional religious service. On that fateful day, hundreds of churchgoers gathered for this experimental service during Germany's Convention of Protestants. Little did they know that their usual Sunday routine was about to take a hilariously unexpected turn. Professor Wiskid, armed with the powerful ChatGPT, set out to create a truly unique experience. Using AI technology, he managed to craft 98% of the 40-minute mass with the assistance of his digital companion. And so, the AI-led service began. The congregation eagerly awaited the familiar warmth and personal touch they were accustomed to, but little did they know what was in store for them. Churchgoer 1, wait, did the sermon just come from a computer? Churchgoer 2, I never thought I'd see the day when I took religious advice from an AI. Churchgoer 3, honestly, it's a bit eerie. Where's the human touch? The AI avatar may have been articulate and knowledgeable, but it lacked that human connection that parishioners are so accustomed to. The congregation craved the warmth and charisma that only a human presence can provide. From awkward pauses to unexpected responses, the AI-led mass was brimming with hilarious surprises. It turns out that artificial intelligence, despite its immense capabilities, struggled to capture the essence of a truly engaging and relatable religious experience. In the end, Professor Wiskid learned an important lesson, that the human touch cannot be easily replicated. While AI may excel in many areas, there are some aspects of our lives where it simply falls short. So, dear viewers, let this be a lesson to us all. Technology is marvelous, but sometimes it's the quirks and imperfections that make life truly special. Until next time, stay tuned for more wacky adventures in the world of AI.